Pick out the most effective words or expressions from the given options to fill in the blank to make the sentence meaningfully complete. Fire brigades took around 30 minutes to dash the flames. A. Break out. B. Douse. C. Drench. And D. Vandalize. The best option over here is douse, which means to extinguish. We extinguish fire or we douse fire, hence the correct option is B. Breakout means start suddenly, drench means to get wet, vandalize means to damage public property. So the correct answer option is B, douse.